this is how you check a bad contactor. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna put our leads and the line power going into the contactor. Do we have power? Yes, we have power. 208 to 230. We're gonna make that unit call for cool, and then we're gonna check the load, the other side of the contactor. So if you go on all the load side, if you're not getting any power and that contactor is engaged, then you know you have a bad contactor. So don't let that contactor fool you, because if you put one of your leads on the load and one on the line side, it's gonna give you power. It's gonna give you 210 or 230, whatever it might be.
Yeah, so this is how you check a contactor. This contactor specifically for the compressor. There's other type of contactors for fans and other stuff. But keep posted and I'll make another video. Thanks for watching.